Good day everyone, in this video I'm going to make a review about auto-ranging multimeter of UNI-T brand. The model is UT136C. Here is the box where it was packed. Here you can see the logo UNI-T and the model UT136. There is also the same range models with letters A, B and D. They're almost the same but with some few different measuring features. This model, besides of all other measures like voltage, resistance, current and etc., has function to measure temperature. I already unboxed it and tested this multimeter. Everything was working fine, no any problems, at least till now. I was using it for about a week already. Now let's see what I found after unboxing. Here is the multimeter itself, the main measuring cables, other cable and also user manuals. Let's speak about the multimeter itself first. It was included with the 9 volts battery inside the multimeter when I took it from the box. The build quality is, I can say, really well. No any crackle, rattling and other things like that. I like the design. The main cables are protected with some kind of rubber plugs. I think it's from dust, moisture and other environmental influences. Here you can see those plugs. The other cable I think was for measuring the temperature, but I am not sure because I was not using it and don't know exactly what it's for. Here is the manual instruction in Chinese, and what I should mention, I got also manual instruction in English. This wasn't mentioned at Gearbest when I ordered it. The multimeter itself has 4 slots, of course COM slot, also slot to measure voltage, resistance, frequency and diodes. The other slot is for micro milliamps and also temperature. It measures in Celsius. And the last slot support to measure current up to 10 amps. UT136C model, which I am reviewing now, has these functions. It can measure direct and alternating voltage, also direct and alternating current up to 10 amps. Of course, resistance, diodes and continuity test, frequency and duty cycle, and the last but not the least, it can measure temperature in Celsius. In my opinion, this model range are one from the best auto-ranging multimeters that you can purchase for around 20 bucks. At that time when I was searching to buy one, I found that the GearBest was offering the best price from all the ass shops that I was looking at. Now let's test this multimeter by measuring a few basic values. For this purpose, I choose this AA size rechargeable battery. First of all, let's test voltage. And it shows 1.313. Now let's try to test the sound of continuity. And the sound is like this. And the last one, I want to check how many amps has this battery. And it shows around 5.6. I should mention that this battery was tested before with the old multimeter and the values was almost the same.